What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Florian, and I know I look a little crazy right now, but that's because I'm going to attempt to install my first wig, which was the wig that I reviewed last week, the Galore Hair Collection 16-inch straight wig. So this is probably going to be a long video, so I'm going to stop talking and get right into it. If you didn't see the initial review, I'll put a card above so you can go look at that. I don't know if I'm going to do a voiceover or I'm just going to talk it out. We'll just see what happens. Okay. So I'm using the Got To Be Glued spray, and I'm going to spray my cap about 3 times, and then I'm going to grab my blow dryer. I'm going to put my blow dryer on cool. Scissors and cut the cap. Hopefully I don't cut my hair, you know. Hopefully. I would also say this video is going to be beginner friendly because I'm a beginner, so if I can pull this off, you guys can pull it off, okay? Get some of the Got To Be glued right here. So I'm putting the Got To Be Glued gel around the cap, and I think I did this about 3 or 4 times, and after each coat I used the blow dryer to blow dry it until it was like kind of clear and tacky. I have no idea how to do baby hairs, so this is going to be very interesting. This whole process is going to be interesting. You guys can't probably tell, but the weather is like really bad outside. So here we go. The last little, I think I'm putting maybe too much because I think it's supposed to be like a thin coating. So I don't know, we'll see. Alright, so here I'm just going to cut the back lace off so I don't have that piece sticking out. Adjustable straps right here to make like a band itself so the wig can be more secure. So I just clipped it like that. Okay, so now I'm just trying to position the wig on my head properly, make sure it's like on the cap, the gel that I just laid down, and just make sure it's on my head straight. So I guess now is when I cut the lace. She is bomb hair wax stick. Oops. And put it right here where I want it to be flat at. I'm also gonna put some here because I'm gonna be hot combing this part too. Okay, first of all, excuse my facial expressions throughout this whole video, but now that the hot comb is hot, I'm going to be using it to make my part more distinct and flat. And I really love to use a hot comb for this because it gets your part in the places that you want flatter than a flat iron. Okay, so now I'm going to attempt to do some kind of baby hairs, and then I'm going to just flat iron this wig out, and I think that'll be it, guys. That was super simple. Well, not super simple, but it was doable because I have no idea how to do hair. So if I can do it, you guys can pull it off. I didn't mention this in the beginning, but I don't have any cornrows under the cap. It's just plaits that I did because I cannot cornrow. I am back. I really love this wig. It lays down so flat. It's like this is my first time installing it, and I found it not easy but not too difficult, you know. So that's it for this video. I'm gonna leave all the information about this hair and the products that I used to install this wig in the description box. And if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know the next time I post a video. I'm really in love with this hair, guys. Alright, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.